up, baby? Got to say super pleasant good morning to each and every one. My name is David Squeeze Anarchy, the good-looking black guy on this radio station across the nation and all of that. And I got my good-looking friend over there, Adam Handler. You know, got to say much respect to you, Adam. How you feeling today, man?
What's up, buddy? How you doing?
I am doing great, man.
Happy belated Bob Marley Day.
Happy belated Bob Marley Day to you also. And we're cruising, my brother. I would play some Bob Marley right now, but Facebook would shut us down. They say copyrights infringement. Yeah. Anyway, listen, let's get down to business, man. Jer, I know you got the message. And by the way, man, we got to say thanks to people like Jer, super engineer extraordinaire, has been doing a magnificent job. And this guy works seven days a week at a nightclub and lounge, and then he comes and he runs and engineers a show for the entire day for you, me, Nico, Empress Yvette, everybody. I don't know how he does it, man. But anyway, I like what you do.
I know how he does it. He's taking his BioLife.
Ah, there you go. He is taking his BioLife, man. Definitely. I'm quite sure he's got a smile on his face right now, you know. But anyway, you put smiles on many faces every single week. How do you, as a personal injury attorney, do that every single week, Adam? How do you do that when people get into accidents? They get mashed up, as you would say, banged up. Okay. How is it that a man with a beard on a face like that, okay, can help people to smile every week, even when it seems like it will never, ever be happy for them again? You manage somehow to put even a hint of a smile, if not a big one, on their face, even kids' faces. I've seen it. How do you do that?
Well, it's very simple, by delivering exceptional results. When somebody calls my office and hires me to be their attorney, they've been injured in an accident, whether it's a construction accident, slip and fall, trip and fall, car accident, pedestrian accident. Things have gone terribly wrong for them, and they hire me to get them as much money as I can for their time out of work, their medical bills, and their pain and suffering, and I deliver. I mean, it's just as simple as that. I deliver results. Matthew, my associate, delivers results. My team, Sandra, Sandy, Sasha, and Shanice, we deliver results. And for those of you listening right now that are current clients of ours or former clients of ours, you know those people. You've spoken to them time after time. We're always available. When you call, you always know what's going on with your case. We always assist you with processing everything that needs to be done. And like I said, results-based business. So when you can right the wrong and you can deliver that big-time settlement or big-time verdict for that individual, that's why they're happy. That's why they're smiling. It's one less thing to worry about when disaster strikes.
Absolutely. And today, ladies and gentlemen, for about 120 seconds, I need Adam to reiterate what should happen, God forbid there's a construction accident, and also reiterate what is a construction accident, what qualifies as a construction accident. Go ahead, Adam.
Yep. So New York is a special place just in general, but particularly when it comes to construction accidents. It's really the only state in the country that the laws are really in favor of the worker. Usually there's a situation where, you got to prove overt negligence. You have to really show that something went terribly wrong in order to win your case. In New York, really, we give the benefit of the doubt to those construction workers, those people that are building those high-rise buildings or low-rise buildings, out there day in, day out through all types of weather, all types of conditions. And basically the law says this: if you are injured through a gravity-related hazard, the general contractor and the owner of that property are liable for your injuries, even if they really had believe it or not, even if they had really no involvement in the accident, right? If you're an owner of a property, you're not supplying tools to the workers. You hire a general contractor to do that. And usually the general contractor isn't even doing that. They're hiring a subcontractor to do it. But if you fall off something or something falls on you, or you're otherwise injured by an unsafe work condition, it's very likely that you've sustained a serious injury, because these construction accidents can be deadly, right? Dealing with heavy equipment, heavy machinery, dangerous substances. But the law is on your side and you can recover. And we've done it time and time again. My biggest verdicts and my biggest settlements are construction accident cases. 5.2 million for the gentleman out in Staten Island, 5.75 million for the gentleman that was working at the ShopRite up in Westchester. This summer, 2.5 million for the guy that fell off the side of the building. This fall, 1.35 million for the gentleman that fell off the ladder and broke his wrist. I mean, these are big numbers because these are big injuries. All of those gentlemen had fractures. All of those gentlemen had surgery. All of those gentlemen, had considerable amount of time out of work. But between the workers' compensation, which is going to help you with your medical bills and your time out of work, and then being able to go after that general contractor and the owner of the property, you do stand to obtain a considerable monetary reward. I just listened on the news last night. There was, I think it was in Queens, a terrible construction accident where a bunch of people were hurt. One of them very critically. I think some iron bars that were stacked up became dislodged and fell on top of a group of people. That's a case. I mean, that is your quintessential construction accident case, a gravity-related hazard causing injuries to workers. Maybe those bars should have been secured better. Maybe there should have been better protection to prevent those bars had they become dislodged from striking the employees. But, it's the same thing, Squeeze. You go to work either every morning or every night, expecting to return home safely to your family. You expect that you're going to go to work. Hopefully you enjoy what you do. I certainly do. I know you do. Enjoy your day as much as possible, because we're not like hanging out on the beach, but enjoy your day as much as possible. Feel good about what you're able to contribute to the job, contribute to society. Come home, rest, get a hot meal, a shower, and start the day over again. But for many of us, that doesn't happen because of somebody's negligence, because something's gone wrong. So those individuals who really don't know where to turn because their whole world may be topsy-turvy, know they can count on the case handler, know they can count on Adam Handler, know they can count on Matt Goodstein, know they can count on my team at Pollock, Isaac, and DeSico to make it right. Bad things will happen to good people. You can never prepare for an accident. You can only prepare for your response. And ladies and gentlemen, I've been doing this show since 2005. You know who I am. You know what I do. Hopefully, I will be your response when disaster strikes. Hopefully, I will be that individual that, like you just said, is going to make you smile at the end, because you know that to the extent possible, justice was served. I don't know. I'm not saying I can take away your pain. I'm not saying I can take away your suffering. What I can do is put a considerable amount of money in your pocket to make things easier, whether it's time out of work, medical bills, or pain and suffering. It never ceases to amaze me that even in the most tragic situations in which somebody has a horrible injury, if you're able to compensate them, it's one less thing they're worrying about. And, they say mind over matter. Things tend to calm down. Yes, you may still walk with a limp. You may have difficulty sleeping, but knowing that you don't have to worry about how you're going to pay your cell phone bill. You're not going to have to worry about, are your children going to have warm coats during the winter? You're not going to have to worry about, can you fly back home to Jamaica or Guyana to take care of a sick parent? You'll be able to do these things with financial freedom. That's what I've done. Millions and millions and millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars for individuals that trusted me with their one and only shot.
Absolutely. Once again, you just heard the voice of Adam Handler right here on this radio station, a personal injury attorney that is known as the case handler. And of course, he is truly, genuinely the number one personal injury attorney in my capacity and everyone's capacity, I think, okay, for delivering $165 million in settlement. I want everyone out there, regardless of whether or not you think you're going to get into an accident, which we should never think that, but hold a number, save the number, maybe not for yourself, maybe for a friend, maybe for someone who gets hurt in an accident, whether that be an automobile, a construction accident, medical malpractice, or more. The number happens to be 844-774-3529. Once again, I repeat, and I would love and I implore you to Dial the number, let it ring 15 seconds, and store it. The number is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. I'm going to get a true success story from Adam. Then
Yeah,
we
of
kick
course.
it off to DJ.
Well, it is Tuesday. You know, we love Tuesdays because Testimonial Tuesdays. And Testimonial Tuesday is just a great way for us to highlight the exceptional legal work we do here. You know, I never ask you to take my word for it. I never ask anybody to just go on what you hear. Go with what you know. Go with what you see. And if you link me on Instagram, The Case Handler, or link me on Facebook, The Case Handler, you'll see with your own very eyes, you know, the legal work we do. I mean, I can pull up. I was just pulling up some photos here. I love.
Pull that up, man. My other half here is saying, "Oh, guess I don't care for her anymore because I used to respond to her messages." But I said, "I'm live with Adam. He's helping out people who are getting
this." Nathan and Amelia. They didn't want the exact amount known, but you know, this is a happy family. Look at that little girl holding that check. I mean, it was a family affair. They got into a car accident. We resolved their case within about 6 months. They got the maximum amount, big time money. Couldn't be more proud of the work we perform for those people. Then, you know, today's Testimonial Tuesday, a fresh case. Donna D is a picture here with Matt Goodstein. A settlement for her car accident case. And Squeeze, if you would read that quote for me, I'd appreciate that.
Absolutely, my brother. All right. Well, what it says right here is Donna D. Should I drop that amount there? No, I won't.
Yeah, drop it.
$95,000 in settlement. And right now it says, if you want superb lawyers that you will be satisfied with and will bring you justice, okay, in the end, choose Matt Goodstein and Adam Handler. And if we can scroll that past, let me just take the, thank you. All right. I want to also say thanks to Sandy for being so caring and incredible too. She walked me down to the street and even helped me put my seatbelt on. My experience overall was really, really good. Donna D from Brooklyn.
Yeah.
$95,000.
And what she's talking about is the Uber. You know, we generally, for clients that really have difficulty getting around, ladies and gentlemen, we'll send a car for you. You need to come to our office. We'll send an Uber for you. We'll get you home. Here's what Donna had to say.
I'm so excited today. My name is Donna Llanos, and I received my settlement today from Pollock Isaac. And Adam and Matt has been tremendous in helping my case in terms of giving me all the information I need in order to, you know, progress in my recovery. And they just actually did a wonderful job. They're excellent lawyers. They provide you with exceptional doctors and therapy to assist you with your recovery. And they're really great lawyers. And I just want people out there to know, if you're looking for a lawyer that is superb and you want a lawyer that you're satisfied with and that can bring you, you know, justice at the end, you'll be the right place.
I mean, these are not paid spokespeople, Squeeze. These are not, you know, professional endorsers. You know, they speak from the heart. Ladies and gentlemen, there's a reason why I'm the longest running, most successful, most celebrated attorney in this radio station's history. And it's because we treat people the right way and we get exceptional legal results for you when, God forbid, you're in an accident. Often imitated, of course, never, ever, 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 ever duplicated. There's only one case handler. And that's why we say you only got one chance to get it right, one choice of lawyer, and one case handler. One chance, one choice, one case handler. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Appreciate the support. This community has embraced me since September of 2005. And guess what? You feel that? I'm hugging you right back. I'm embracing you right back. Together, we've done some incredible things, regardless of who you are, where you're from, what you're doing here. Your immigration status don't mean nothing. You are entitled to money. Let me help you get that money. All right? 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529, or easy to remember, PPID law. You should see the grin on Squeeze's face right now. He knows his boy's hype. He knows his boy's excited. Get that money, ladies and gentlemen.
Peace out. You don't need Squeeze anymore, man.